Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now today I'm going to show you how to apply our UltraColour Sticker transfer self-adhesive sticker print here, okay? Now guys, this is it here. It's going to go onto hard goods like hard hats or this coffee mug, for example, anything that's got a hard exterior, not fabric. That's what our UltraColour Pro or our UltraColour Max transfers are for. This is for hard goods, okay? Hard promotional items, things like this. So guys, what we've got is we've got a backing on it that's white, okay? We've also got a glossy cover on the front. What we want to do is we want to peel the glossy away from the backing. Now, to do that, I just use my finger just like that to grab it. Show you again really quickly. Grabbing your finger there, it should just catch onto your finger and it's really easy to peel off. Doing that again, see how I've just like that, and it's just separated it. Now what you want to do is you want to peel the backing away from the transfer. Best way is maybe lay it down on a table flat, peeling the backing away. And the reason for that is if you've got really small detail, it helps with the small detail to stay adhered to this top carrier, okay? Now this is obviously a solid design, but if you had text or letters or anything like that, it is important for them to all stick to the front carrier so that you can apply them on really nicely. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and I'm going to have a look. There we go. We're going to go around to the other side and I'm going to place it just on here like this. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then we're going to press it down, okay? Now, most important thing is to make sure that you press it down into all those little details, okay? Now, the beauty of this UV DTF sticker is the glue that's behind the sticker is stronger than the carrier here, the clear carrier that we've got. So, if we've pressed that down well enough, what we can then do is peel this back. And when you peel it back, you'll see that it'll peel away, leaving your UV sticker beautifully applied to the item that you pressed it onto. Okay, you can always give it a quick little rub now, that sort of thing. If you were wanting to, you could always use like a little squeegee like this. We've got a squeegee that's got that foam edge on it. You know, you could have, before you peeled that off, gone like this just to help push it all in if you wanted to. I prefer just to use my thumb and make sure that it's all pressed in, okay? That there, guys, is exactly how you apply our UltraColour sticker transfer, okay? It's self-adhesive, designed to stick to all of your hard goods, like a coffee mug like this, a hard hat, a book, compendium, that sort of thing. Guys, any questions, reach out to us, email, website, give us a call.